In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create your Tradingview account. So you want to go to tradingview.com or just Google search Tradingview. The link will normally be the first one in Google, right? Or Bing, whatever you use. So in my case, it's the first link, right? So select Tradingview, then select Get Started for free. Now once you're on this page, select Sign Up, and you can choose to sign up with your email, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, or even LinkedIn. Right, so in this case, I'm going to sign up with Google. So from here, I'm just going to select my Google account and then continue. Here, specify a username. I'm going to keep the default and select next. Here, accept the terms and agreement and then select next. Now your account has been created successfully for free, right? You don't need to try any of the trading plans. So to go to the charts that you'll use to do your markups, select the Tradingview menu. Then under products, select super charts. And then from here, you can search for the currency pair that you want to analyze. So let's search for USD JPY. I'm just going to select it from the drop down. And that's basically it. And see you in the next video.